Welcome back to a new video, guys, and in today's video we're going to be doing a POV drive with the Audi A3. This car is finished off in a Nardo grey. It is completely stunning in real life, guys. 148 bhp from stock, 250 newton meters of torque as well. As you enter the car, this is what you're greeted with, this amazing looking interior. Let's get straight into it. So I'm going to put my foot on the brake, hit the push to start button, turn the music off because we don't want to get a copyright. If you guys want to see a full breakdown of me sort of reviewing this car, the video, I will link the video up here. When you're used to driving manuals, you just sort of naturally reach down for the stick. But this is obviously not a manual, so you know we're not gonna have any of that sort of thing here. Okay, so I'm gonna put the car into a different sort of driving mode, and we're gonna go for dynamic sport. This mode, guys, is just so vicious and so good. But let's go. This thing is so rapid, it's just crazy. Okay, there's a car there, slowing it down. Is absolutely incredible. This thing is something else. All right, I'm going about 28 miles an hour right now. We're gonna have a look to see if there's any cars behind me. I'm gonna show you what this thing feels like when you go ahead and launch it. Okay, let's go ahead and launch it. This thing is so fast, honestly. It is so fast. But the thing I love about this car is it's just so comfortable. Like, everything about it is just so comfortable. The suspension on the car is incredibly good. Like, when you're going over potholes and things like that, you do not feel anything. It's like it's like you do not feel anything at all. It's just rapid, just rapid. But here we go. Woo. Oh my god, this is so fun. All right, this is just incredible. Okay, so we're now going 40 miles an hour. As you can see, lane assist has come on, lane assist. So another cool feature that the car has got. I think things like that, personally, I think those features are super important. We've got cruise control here at the bottom, so if I want to control the speed, I can go ahead and set it at some point, but I'm not going to do that because I want to keep it manual today. Oh, that is amazing. That is just amazing. Braking is really good as well, really responsive. Look how responsive the car is and how quickly we get up to 50 miles an hour. Pothole, so rapid. Wow. I'm gonna need to move over to that corner in just a second.